To set up a multi-entity environment, we're going to get a couple configuration settings done, and then I'm going to show you how to set up the multiple entities. So to create entities, and you probably are familiar with this, but you're going to add your entities in here. You're going to type a short ID, your longer legal name, and your federal ID number. You're going to come down here, and you're going to set your months. And then you're going to hit save. Okay, so if you need to add more entities, it's going to be in the company setup entities area. Okay, so now let's talk about the due to, do from accounts and how to set those up. So we're going to go into company setup inter-entity account mapping. And you can see, because I set this in the subscriptions under multi-entity management to advanced, that I have a inter-entity receivable, an inter-entity payable, and then the offsetting reversal side, inter-entity receivable and inter-entity payable. Okay, so if I've got Timberline Development in my entity A column over here, and Timberline GC in my entity B, I'm going to have my due from Timberline GC in this first column. I'm going to have my due to Timberline GC in the second column. And then I'm going to do from Timberline Development in this entity B, inter-entity receivable, and my due to Timberline Development. So if you follow this cadence and the structure, this is how you're going to set up your mapping. So you only need to do the relationship once. So Timberline Dev, between Timberline Dev and Timberline GC, here's the mappings and the 4 accounts. Okay, so I don't need to set up another one that says Tim GC, Timberline GC, and Timberline Development over here. I've covered the relationship and I only need to do it on one line, okay? So any questions on the configuration and setup of multi-entities in the entities area here, the mapping plan, or setting up the GL account, reach out to us and we'd be more than willing to help you.